look through this bag. So real quickly, this is the bag. This is the bag. There's some junk in it. Some change. It's a bag. See what I want. You know, it's a traveling bag. You know. See, moist wipes, antibacterial. You know, I don't know who. I don't know. Like, this is literally. This is it. This is it. This is it. Existing. Look, I'm talking about bacteria kills germs. Boom, kills germs. It's about bacteria.
Hello.
Hi there.
How you doing? You staying here?
No, I just needed somewhere just to relax.
Yeah. If you're not a guest, can't be in the lobby. So.
All right, I didn't. All right, I didn't plan on taking long. I just want to just see what I got here. Didn't know there's McDonald's nearby.
McDonald's, yeah, they're open. They're close to the street.
All right. Thank you. I'm sorry. Yeah, this is bacteria too. Straight bacteria. Bacteria. Just throw that out. Some trash bags. A couple trash bags in there too. Power charger. This one. Yeah, so I gotta get out of here.